In this video, I'll guide you through how to subscribe to a report in Salesforce. Whether you're monitoring sales performance, tracking customer interactions, or just want regular updates on specific data, subscribing to reports can be a game changer. It ensures you have the most current information delivered straight to your inbox, helping you stay on top of your tasks without having to manually check each report. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Reports tab. This is your starting point for accessing any report within Salesforce. Once you're there, locate the specific report you'd like to receive regularly. It could be anything from sales forecasts to customer feedback reports, whatever is most critical for your role. Click on the name of that report to open it. This ensures you're working with the right dataset and that you're ready to subscribe to updates. Now, once your report is open and you're looking at it, direct your attention to the top right toolbar. Here, you should see a button labeled Subscribe. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry. It might be tucked away in a drop-down menu. Simply click the drop-down arrow right next to the Edit button. This will reveal additional options, including the Subscribe button. This feature is designed to keep your workspace uncluttered while still providing easy access to all the functionalities you need. With the Subscribe button now in view, go ahead and click it. This will open up the subscription settings where you can tailor how and when you receive updates. Setting up your delivery schedule is crucial. It allows you to choose when you want the report delivered, whether daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your needs and the urgency of the data. Consider how often the data in the report changes and how frequently you need to be informed to make timely decisions. After you've set your preferred schedule, take a moment to review your choices. Make sure everything is set exactly how you want it. This is the last step before finalizing your subscription, so it's a good time to double-check that all settings align with your workflow and information needs. Once everything looks good, simply click Save. This action confirms your subscription and sets the wheels in motion for your regular report delivery. Congratulations, you've successfully subscribed to a report in Salesforce. From now on, you'll receive updates based on the schedule you set, keeping your insights fresh and your decisions informed. By automating this process, you save valuable time and ensure that critical data is always at your fingertips. Remember, you can always adjust these settings if your needs change, ensuring your reports continue to serve you in the best possible way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made subscribing to Salesforce reports easier and more intuitive for you. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Salesforce efficiently. Happy reporting!